Good morning, class. Gia, please lead the prayer. Please be seated. Please say present if your name is called. Okay, very good. No one is absent for today. Today we're going to dive into the world of advertisements. Can someone tell me what an advertisement is? Exactly. Advertisements are everywhere on TV, social media, billboards, and even in magazines. They're designed to catch our attention and persuade us to buy something. Why do you think it's important to analyze advertisements? Great point. Analyzing advertisements can help us become more informed consumers. It allows us to see the techniques used to influence our decisions. Can you think of any techniques that advertisements use? Absolutely. Those are excellent examples. Advertisements often use emotional appeals, humor, or even fear to connect with their audience. Today, we're going to look a few advertisements and break down these techniques. How do you think this will help you on your daily life? Exactly. By the end of this discussion, you'll be able to critically evaluate advertisements and understand the message behind them. Are you ready to get started? So, some common persuasive techniques are testimonial reviews, celebrity endorsements, comparative advertising, and lifestyle appeal. Okay, in the first example, what kind of persuasive techniques is being used? As you can see. Okay, you're correct. So, celebrity endorsement, also known as celebrity branding, is a marketing strategy that uses a celebrity fame and image to promote a brand or product. So, for the second example, what kind of persuasive techniques is being used? So, comparative advertising is a marketing strategy in which a company's product or service is presented as superior when compared to a competitors. In the third example, what kind of persuasive techniques is being used? Okay, so you're right. So reviews are customers' honest thoughts on their purchase, positive or negative shared spontaneously. So in the other hand, testimonials are exclusively positive customer stories collected specifically for marketing purposes. Now that you've learned about persuasive techniques, it's time to create your own advertisements. I will give you 10 minutes to do the individual activity. You can start now.